Now, how to change your profile picture on Character AI. To change your profile picture on Character AI, what you will do is just click on the Character AI app like this. Now here, what you do is just click on this profile icon on the down section here. Now wait for it to open. Now what you do now is just click on this edit profile here. Or now what you do now is to click on this pencil icon here. Now here you can describe what you want the AI to generate for you, which is the profile icon, or you can upload a profile icon by clicking this down section. Now here I will click on this upload profile icon here. Now here go to where you save the profile icon you want to use here by sliding down here, or by clicking this correction, and go to the folder where you save it like this. Now here, as soon as you find the profile icon you want to use, what you do now is click on the profile icon like this. Now wait for it to upload. As you can see, it have uploaded. Now here, what you do is to click on the left facing arrow on the top side here. Now here, what you do is to click on this save changes here. As you can see, it's saving the changes. As you can see, profile is updated. Now here, what you do now is to click on the left facing arrow on the top side here. Now here, as you can see, the profile picture have been updated. You see it here. So that's how to change profile picture on Character AI. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.